Pero pag na-tow po ba kayo?
Sana po.
Ayun lang, pag na-tow na po, wala na po yan.
Pa naman.
Opo, pero pag nakasampa na po, hindi na po pwede yan. Talagang bawal po kasi ang parking dito.
Kasi na lang ng IDP sa inyo.
Nonetheless po, mas maganda.
Kahit pag-ticket na lang.
May ticket na po talaga yan.
Oo, pero baka pwede mo nandalin kasi bayaran na lahat yan.
Ay, hindi po. It's not about the payment. It's about your violation and the protocol that we have to follow.
You only knew why these cars are parked along each Ventura.
That's why it's being complained for several times already.
No, because we were being forced na to park
Who?
outside.
Who forced you to park?
Management of MWSS.
They force you to park outside?
Yes.
They told you it's allowed to park outside?
Given the choice, we would not have parked here, ha? Kasi nga, we live inside eh.
You live inside.
Inside, yes, the compound.
So you live inside the compound and
we're
they are
not allowed to bring our cars inside the compound.
and you are being forced to park outside?
Yes.
For what reason?
Yes. Nagpamaldita ang administration ng MWSS.
Baka you can pwede niyo pong palabasin
No,
kung
there's a
sino man
case
po yan.
already eh.
There's a case already.
Yes,
Okay, pero kasi no
oo.
parking po talaga itong
Kaya nga,
H.
we were left
Ventura.
with no choice. We have a car, so where are we gonna park it, diba?
Well, if that's the case
I don't
kasi
know,
you have
you're
to...
not part of it, you don't have any personal knowledge about it, pero just for whatever it's worth, yun nga.
Pero we don't need to take personal knowledge as regard to illegal parking kasi first and foremost, this is an alternate route.
I know,
But
pero
you're not
where
aware,
we
you're not
park?
aware na hindi na bawal ang parking
Alam mo,
dito?
this is a risk that we're taking.
So it's a
Kasi
risk.
we live inside eh. That's why I'm asking for your compassion.
Yes, that's why I'm asking you, towed na ba? Kasi kung towed na yan, hindi na namin pwedeng ibaba.
Paawat, sabi ko,
Kasi we have a protocol that we have to follow that within 5 minutes, if the driver does not present him or herself...
I was not given 5 minutes for
You
one
were.
of the cars.
You were.
No.
I'm pretty sure you were. There's a video. There's a video.
Driver, kakahinto niya lang, kinuha niya lang yung helmet, tapos tinuna.
May video po yan. I'm pretty sure.
Can we have
Ano po ba kayo dyan? Contest nyo,
Tapos hindi ko makukuha yung car ko.
pwede nyo namang makuha yan eh. Iko-contest nyo lang sa impounding area. Pero alam mo, attorney, with all due respect, the fact that you are aware that there's no parking dito and you were saying it is a risk that you are taking, meaning a risk comes with certain...
I do not contest that eh.
Okay.
So that's why I was appealing. Kanina, nung nandiyan pa yung sakit, I was appealing to your compassion.
But the appeal, di ba, I mean, on legal basis naman kasi when we appeal something, it has to concede with certain provisions din, di ba?
Yes, I know.
That's why sinasabi ko sa'yo, I'm trying to explain it to you. May binibigay kaming 5 minutes
But
consideration.
there was, I assure you, may 5 minutes.
Kaya nga, I'm telling you this, we have to go to due process, right? So if you think that one of your vehicles was not given the courtesy of 5 minutes, actually it's not a courtesy, it's a humanitarian consideration because under
Same humanitarian
because attorney hold on because under our Metro Manila towing guidelines we only give technically about 2 minutes. The 5 minutes is already an extended humanitarian consideration na binibigay namin as a precedence because we've been doing that for quite some time.
5 minutes.
Pag hindi umabot ng 5 minutes isang vehicle nyo, pwede nyo i-contest na lang po doon, ha? But not here. Yeah, you can check with the towing impounding group naman namin. Andyan lang naman sa pagbaba,
Sige.
yung impounding area ng Tumana.
Sen,
Pero attorney, alam niyo naman bawat pumarada. So
wala kang choice.
don't take the risk.
wala
Don't
kang
take the
choice.
risk.
Kung pwede ko lang i-fold yung mga sasakyan na yan, I would have done
And
it.
then why you did not discuss it with the barangay? Kasi the barangay
No, the
themselves
barangay
is complaining
where they don't
about the illegal parking here.
Okay.
Opo.
So, yung kapitan
Actually yung umabot na po kami hanggang baba. I think a month or 2 months ago, I was personally here. Kasama namin ang barangay nag-clearing pa.
Yan. Tapos pag tinanong ko yung barangay,
Mhm.
sasabihin nila wala silang alam.
Ay, hindi po.
Diba?
May mga coordination letters po to even before. And this is not the first time. If I'm not mistaken, within 2026, it's about 4 or 5 times na to. Itong H. Ventura
Okay. Yeah. Oo.
na kinomplain talaga.
Since the barangay is double-faced.
Yan ang hindi ko po masasagot. You have to talk with your...
The kapitan is pretending to be, to care for his people eh. Yung pala, siya mismo yung
Pero kasi attorney, alam mo, well, probably may fault ang barangay kasi sinasabi niya, hindi niya alam. Pangalawa kasi under certain provisions, tulad nito, it's an access road going down a slope, bawal talaga ang
Alam mo, sir,
parking.
I'm not contesting that eh. Ano na tayo dun eh. I fully understand that.
Okay.
Diba? ang ano ko ngayon is yung barangay, they have the power to police yung mga nakapark.
Dapat,
dito,
dapat,
diba?
dapat.
Pag hindi na kaya, tumawag sila sa inyo.
Yes, actually yan po ang sabi ng barangay talaga sa amin a few months back. Nahihirapan na sila dahil matitigas ang ulo. That's why they are forced to request for us.
That's enough information
Opo.
for
Ha?
me.
May ano naman kami, we have all the records to present
So if I ask,
if needed. Yeah, you
yes.
can request for ano naman, yung mga documents kung ilang beses na na-operate to.
I'm okay. Okay na ako
Opo.
dun. Wala na akong ano dun eh. Pero yung wala sila mismo, hindi sila nagpupulis. Kasi ayaw nila siguro pumangit yung ano, because yung elections is coming.
Probably,
Diba?
probably.
Obvious yung political.
Opo.
ano.
Siguro you can I mean, they have to do their role din. They have to do their part.
Exactly, diba?
Oo.
And then, being nyo yung barangay figure na hindi malayo sa tao, diba?
Dapat,
Yun
dapat,
yung role
dapat,
nila eh.
dapat.
So they should have,
Oo.
at least...
Kasi if
show
ever
us.
naman, like last time, di ba ginagawa yung pababa? So they ask us for a certain consideration na
Okay.
wag muna yun nandun sa ilalim. Sabi na, oh sige, ang i-operate lang itong nasa area.
Nandun sa ilalim.
Yung sa ginagawa,
Okay.
nung back then,
Okay.
last year. Pero nung natapos na, pina-operate na rin nila ulit.
Okay.
Opo, ha? Ganun na lang, attorney. Doon na lang sa impounding area. Alright?
Okay.
Sige po. Thank you.
And then,
Opo.
yung 5 minutes rule.
You can actually, it's not a rule.
Insist it from...
It's a humanitarian consideration. You can
Okay,
check with the video nung tow truck, ha? Attorney, thank you. First time mo mahuli, 1,500. Kung magkano ang violation mo dun sa ginawa mong kaninang pag-angkas ng walang helmet? Andiyan po ba ORCR nyo? Ito po ang helmet nyo, bakit ganun na po? Hindi na kayo mapoproteksyonan yan. Wala naman sa bagal o sa bilis yan. Mabagal ka nga, tinumbok ko naman ng sasakyan, pwede ka pa rin mahulog, di ba? Dahil hindi na ako papayag na gamitin mo pa ito. Dahil magaan. Dahil hindi ka mapoproteksyonan nito. Okay? Bibigyan ito bagong helmet. Ito, gusto ko lagi nakastrap to, ha? Kung magkano ang violation mo dun sa ginawa mong kaninang pag-angkas ng walang helmet?
Hindi po, ngayon lang. Kasi
First time mo mahuli, 1,500. Yun po ang violation mo, yun ang kailangan nyong bayaran. Ngayon, since kalalabas nyo lang ng access road, at yung inangkas nyo naman, naglakad na po ba?
sumakay na po sa jeep yun. Kasi
Sumakay na. Okay, so hindi nyo na iaangkas.
Hindi.
Andiyan po ba ORCR nyo?
Ito,
Rehistrado pa ba? Oo, rehistrado pa hanggang 2028. Yung lisensya, valid naman. Valid. Saan po ba kayo nagtatrabaho?
dito po.
Sa ano?
Manila Water.
Manila Waters. May isa rin po akong concern. Kamusta po ang helmet nyo? Bakit ganun na po? Ha?
Ano kasi sir, mag-magaang siya ito. Iniiwan-iwan ko. Pag yung mabigat ko ang dinala ko, hindi ko maiiwan talaga eh. Pag nag-inspect.
So may ibang helmet po kayo?
Ito kahit iwanan ko dyan, okay lang, walang kukuha.
Pero kuya, sira-sira na yan. Paano yan? Yan ang gamit mo araw-araw.
Pag mag-inspection ako,
Yan ang ginagamit nyo.
ang rason ko po, iniiwan ko siya dyan.
Pero hindi na kayo mapoproteksyonan yan.
Yan, mabagal lang naman ako.
Wala naman sa bagal o sa bilis yan. Mabagal ka nga, tinumbok ko naman ng sasakyan, pwede ka pa rin mahulog, di ba? Hindi naman patay, wag naman agad patay, kuya. Pwede kang mahulog, sumemplang. Pag sumemplang ka, pwedeng mahulog na yung helmet mo at di ka na mapoproteksyonan yan, di ba? Kasi tinan mo naman,
Alam ko naman dito siya, kaya alam.
gusto mo bang bigyan kita ng konsiderasyon? Pwede naman.
Salamat po. Kasi kung kaya na, naku patay dati pinapanood ko ito.
Naku,
Ngayon
patay.
Ako ang mapapanood.
Tanggalin mo yung helmet mo. Pagbibigyan kita, pero kukumpiskahin ko na to. Dahil hindi na ako papayag na gamitin mo pa ito. Dahil magaan. Dahil hindi ka mapoproteksyonan nito. Okay? Ito mo naman. Nasaan na ba yun? Yung rubber. Ayan, oh. Hindi na ako papayag na gamitin mo to. Bibigyan kita bagong helmet. Lagyan nyo sa likod ng pickup. Kaya ako bagong helmet.
Ako ngayon mapapanood.
Hindi, kasi hindi na ako papayag. Tignan mo naman yung helmet mo. Pag hinayaan kita na yun ang helmet na gagamitin mo pa rin, para kitang kinonsinti, kahit hindi not proper, saka hindi ka na mapoproteksyonan, okay lang sa amin. Diba? Tandaan nyo, hindi kami nanguhuli dahil gusto lang namin manghuli. Nanguhuli kami dahil may batas na sinusunod at syempre, safety ng motorista. Diba?
Salamat ako.
Wala namang anuman, pero ang sa akin lang talaga yung safety. Napakahalaga niyan. May anak ka ba? May asawa, may apo na, o isipin mo yan, di ba? Abait naman si tatay pagbigyan natin ng konti. Sa susunod, ayoko mag-aangkas ka ng walang helmet, ha? Halika dito. Yan ang lisensya mo. Kung nahihirapan ka, sir, ayaw mo naka-full face ka dahil sa mo, nag-i-inspection ka, di ba? Pag ibababa mo yan, pag gusto mo full face, itong pula. Pindutin mo, baba. Okay? Pag sabi mo, nahihirapan ka kasi nag-i-inspection ka, kapain mo sa ilalim yung pula, angat. Modular na. Okay? Halika, subukan natin. Kesa magbayad ka ng 1.5. Ito, gusto ko lagi nakastrap to, ha? Safe. Sige po, sagit lang po, ha? Sagit lang po. Ayusin ko lang po yung helmet ni tatay. Yan. Subukan natin. Ayan. Para pag nagkaroon, ano, di ba? Hindi naman mabigat. Oo, di ba? O, para hindi ka mapuwing. Pwede mong gamitin to. Baba mo lang to. Ito nasa gilid. Ito, itong may controls yan. Ito, yan. Yan. I-slide down mo lang. Slide down, slide up. Okay? O, sige sa susunod, ha? Hindi sa lahat ng oras pagbibigyan ka, ha?
Salamat po.
Sige, sige.
Sir,
Cap, go on the go.